Hello friends, welcome to Csharp Space. Today in this video session we will discuss about how to perform a pagination in ASP.NET Core MVC. So let's start. We open our Visual Studio and here we need to create one sample ASP.NET Core MVC project. So I click on a new and here we rename it as a pagination ASP core, then click on OK. Now it's creating a project for ASP.NET Core sample project where we perform a paginations, means we showing set of record on a page wise. It's taking little bit time to create. Here we choose a template as a model view controller because this sample project will be created in MVC framework. So click on OK. Now it's creating a ASP.NET Core MVC web sample. Now project is created. So here in Solution Explorer, this adding all the controllers model view. So first of all, I need to connect a database with this project for showing the different data. So I am using this testdb. So I open a new window for SQL query. Here in pagination, I will show a complete country list to page wise map, display data by pagination. So this is select start from TBL countries. Now it's fetching data from TBL countries, which will show the countries list according to their country code. This finding all the data like a country code, name, and this is a 2-character country code and this is the 3-character country code. So now I am writing a procedures for finding data on the behalf of their page index and page size. So I am writing here a proc for this, create proc sp countries, and then here we take a page index and then page size. As begin and then select drop from TBL countries, order by country ID, DSC or ASC like ascending order, offset, at the rate this page size, multiplied by page index minus 1. This is the page size for all the pages which will display, and this for the page index like 0, 1, 2, 3. This for the page index. It's rows, fetch next, page size rows only, and one command from finding a total number of record, as total count from its trivial countries. Now we run this proc. It's already for this, so rename this as a paging, then again run this. Now commands completed successfully. Now in next step we need to create a model for this country's data. So I am going this model. This is the by default model created for error. So I am adding here a model for countries, like a country model, and click on add. Now this class will be created inside this model folder. So here firstly I am creating a public country, and here I am creating all these column names inside a properties, like a country code, country name, it's a country ID, and then it's a country name, then 2-char country code, country code, and another one is 3-char country code. Country code. Now I am creating a first properties as a list for this country class. So it's a list, and then country, and this name as a countries, and then another for a current index, and one more for total number of record, like a page count. In this example I am using edu.net for performing database operations. You can use any others like entity frameworks, links that you like. So for edu.net operations I am adding one more folder for a database access layer. It's a database access layer. Now here we create one class for a database access layer. So I am adding a class here, like name is db, and here we need to add some more namespaces. Using system.data.sql client, using system.configuration, here I am writing a getting object for this SQL connection. Here I am using direct connection string here. If you want to know how to configure a connection string from ASP setting.json file, so I have already created a video for this, that how you can get a access connection string from this file into this db.cs class. It's equal to new SQL connection. Open a server explorer, then here I find a connection string for this. This is the connection string. Now I am writing a method for getting a detail, getting a customer model, country model list on the behalf of their page size and page index, using pagination asp.co.models. So country model, get country, and here it's int current page. Here I am writing it's a max row, means like a page size is equal to 10. I am writing SQL command, SQL command com is equal to new SQL command. Here I am writing this proc name, and then pass a connection object com.command type is equal to command type dot store procedure com dot parameters dot add with value, and writing here a parameter name, this name as a page index, so it's a current page, and this com dot parameters dot add with value. Then here we pass a page size. Page size is a max row, this will be 10. SQL data adapter, DH equal to new SQL data adapter, it's a com, and then it's a data set, ds is equal to new data set, then da dot fill, it's a ds, now I am creating a model for a country. Country model, then it's a for each loop, it's a data row dr, and it's ds table 0. In first table we getting all the lists, so it's a table 0, and then country model dot countries dot add country, it's a country ID, convert dot to int 32, I'm writing this is the country code, and then country name, dot to string, and this is the to char name, to char country code, dot to string, and then after this it's a 3 country code, 3 char country code, now it's a country model dot, it's a page count, total page count, then this is the convert dot to int 32, we need to get a value for this is the total count, so it's ds dot tables 1 dot rows, and then it's a column, and then divided by max row, then it will return total number of page count, and this is the country model dot current index is equal to current page number, then return, it's a country model, now we go to our home controller.cs, I am creating a view for a paging on this by default index method that already created. So now I am getting one more method for a post. This decorate as a HTTP post, and here I am getting a int current page index, now I am creating a this database access layer object dbop and return this object model. Then we return this customer model after we posted a current page index. It's a dbop dot get country, and here we pass this current page index, and by default this current page index for first time it will be 1. Now in next step we go to our index view. Inside this home controller, I am opening this index.cshtml. This is the by default generated code, so I am remove all this. I am taking like 8. I remove all these. Here I am adding a tag helper. It's add tag. It's at the rate I'm adding using for models, so it's using, and then writing this project name dot models, and for a model is a country model, and writing this name is a country model. Now I am writing a table name here. It's a form. Table structures we can get. Firstly I created a form that method type as a post. It's ASP action. ASP action's name is index, and ASP controller, this name is home, and method as a post. Set table tr. Here we getting a head for this. It's a country ID, and it's a country name, and then 2-character country name, and then after this it's a 3-character country name. Now I'm writing is a for each loop. It's a customer country, and writing is a custom country, then model dot countries. It's a tr, then it's a td @ country dot country ID dot country name, and then after this it's a 2-char country code dot 3-char country code. Then here I am adding a paginations that will show page numbers and all other page numbers. It's a table, then tr, here taking a for loop, it's a model dot page count, and then here take a td if I is not equal to model dot correct index attribute. Then we created a attribute is I am getting a JavaScript function here, so it's a JavaScript. I will create a JavaScript function for a pager click. And then here is index I else span I. This will start from one index, and then after this I am getting one hidden field for holding a current page index. Its type is equal to hidden, and then writing a ID like a HF current page index, and then writing a name, same name like this as you already created in a controller. And here we creating a script for this. It's a function pager click that we already written name for this. This is the pager click. And then take a parameters as index. It's a document dot get element by ID. Here I am writing this element name dot value is equal to index, and after this document dot forms 0, writing a form index dot submit. Means after clicking this button, this form will submit. Is calling a index post method. Now we run this project. So I'm pressing Ctrl F5. Now it's building a project. It's a build started. It's taking little bit time to start the application. It's showing object reference not set. It's a country model, so we need to go to our the tv.cs. This error will be shown here. It's object reference not set. I think we need to firstly create store the value in a list, then after this we assign this value. And I'm changing here this as a list, and after this we assigning this as a countries, means we assign this value for this list type countries properties. And after this will be return here, this in index method. For styling I can add here bootstrap process. It's a table response, and same class will be applied here for this pager. Now we run application, so I'm pressing Ctrl F5. Now it's debugging application. Now it's run. Now it's showing first 10 countries record. After click on this showing second page size. Page size is a 10, and this is a page index 2. This is 3, 4. This is all the records that you want to fetch on the behalf of their page size and page index. So this is all how to perform a pagination in ASP.NET Core MVC. If you have any problems, any queries, please write in the comment box. I will reply you soon. If you like my videos, click on the subscribe button and notification bell. So we will meet in next video session. Thanks. Bye bye.